How to open Legit MetaTrader 5 account. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store, and guys, the next thing would be going to the search bar, and then you want to type MetaTrader 5, and then you want to tap on install for you to get the app on your device. Now when it's done installing, I'm going to be tapping on open. Now tap on accept. Now tap on open account first, but this is just for the demo account. Now if you want a demo account just as I want, you want to go ahead and fill this up. And now to get your Legit MetaTrader 5 account, you need to click on messages. Now you want to tap on register. So I'm going to be clicking sign in with Google. Now because I have more than one Google account, I'll go ahead and select the one I would like. And as you can see, it says get an account. Now go ahead to tap on get an account, and guys, you have just successfully opened a Legit MetaTrader 5 account, and this is how easy it is. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.